If your computer turns off after a few seconds, so this could be a hardware problem. So I checked my CPU and found out that the cooling fan it's not tightly locked anymore because the locks are broken. So I need to replace this, and I already bought a new one, because if this fails to cool up the processor, it will overheat and it will lead to the automatic shutdown of the computer. Okay, so I will replace it now. Hey guys, I'm done installing the new fan. This is my old fan. As you can see here, locks are broken. So let's give this a try. Okay guys, now let's test this right now.